Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in an overlay over a video on CapCut PC, like on the app. So I'm just going to select this video for instance, and I'm going to add this video on top of that. So I'm just going to drag it with my mouse and put it on top. Now as you can see, there is a blend mode here, and you can choose from the blend modes that they have. There's brighten, screen, darken, overlay, hard light, soft light, color burn, linear burn, color dodge, and multiply. And those are the options that will give you like different effects for your videos. You can use this blend mode for a lot of things. We already have a lot of tutorial on that on our channel though, if you want to check that out. But that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!